Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to about guys Poco phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys auto answer setting friends, how to on and use. Friends, you want to on your Poco phone auto answer. So friends, what is auto answer and how to on and use on Poco phone device? Today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting, friends, how to friends, where is your auto answer setting? So friends, direct friends will click on search option, a setting. Friends, search here a setting, and friends you can find your auto answer here. So when we search your auto, friends, first is auto answer setting. Friends, you can see your auto all setting will here. Friends, which auto setting friends you want to on, you can on and you can use. Friends, you can see auto fill service, auto call setting, automatic restore, automatic brightness, auto rotate. So friends, we'll click on auto answer setting tab here. Friends, you can see auto answer setting. Friends, you want to on, so you can on. Friends, you can see auto answer pick up incoming calls automatic. So friends, you can automatic pick up your incoming calls, and friends you can see auto answer. Friends, 30 second, 5 second, 3 second, 5 and 10 second. Friends, you can change from here guys. So friends, you want to use your Poco phone auto answer setting, so you can on. After on guys automatic pick up incoming call, you can use it. And friends, you don't want to use, so friends you want to off, so you can off also. So like that guy, we can on and off guys auto answer on our Poco phone device. Friends, direct friends search bar, search your friends auto setting, and friends you can find easily your auto call setting, and you can on from here and you can off from here guys. Already friends, your auto answer is on, so you can off from here guys. So bye bye guys, we will meet on next video. Thanks for watching the video guys.